Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can create blur edges and apply feather effect on your designs. So the first step that we can do here, as you can see some of my sample. So first up, going to open the Canva and go to elements and search for an image that you want to use in order to create this stunning design. For example, you just need to select here and then click on the three dots right there at the top. Select set image as background. Now add page right here. And then we can now create a square object. Select on the shape and adjust this one. Drag the corner. Next, go to border style. Border weight must be on the maximum level. Then go to that color. So from gray color, going to select to transparent. And then the border line, border color must be white. Next, go to share button at the top right and click on download. Check the transparent background and click on download button. You need to select the second page only. Click done. Click download. Click save. And once done, drag the image to upload. Next, you want to delete the second page. Click on the trash icon. And then go to that frame and you must be drag it to fit in the image. Select edit photo. Right there at the top. Scroll down, go to effects and select blur. Make sure you select whole image and then the intensity. Here, as you can see, I'm going to set this to 87 and then go back. And then you can now duplicate the frame. As you can see, we have the blur effect or blur edges. So you can duplicate as much as you want. So that's how you basically create this blur edges. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.